Ready to calibrate your inputs? Let's walk through the input calibration process in MTS. Click the Calibration button in the toolbar to open the calibration dialog. In the Calibration Mode dropdown, select Individual. The Select Input option will become available. Choose the input channel you want to calibrate. These channels match the one selected in the Audio Settings window. Go to the Device Transducer section. Choose the device type, none, microphone, or line. None is the default option. It requires no calibration. If you choose microphone, the microphone sensitivity field becomes active. You can then enter the microphone sensitivity and choose the correct units. Under Calibration method, select either manual or external. Manual requires 3 values: microphone sensitivity, maximum input 0 dB full scale, and input gain. External lets you use a physical sound calibrator. Set the reference SPL level. Common values are 94 dB or 114 dB for noisy environments. Turn on the external calibrator. Press Start to begin the measurement. MTS will capture the signal for a few seconds. Once finished, press Store to save the calibration value. The selected input channel is now calibrated. Backed by Audiogenome, the real audio fingerprint.